Welcome back to Andrea Clean. Today I'm going to show you what you should always dump inside of your trash can so that it never stinks again. Well, hopefully not. And so that it shines like you have never seen before. White, bright, and beautiful. Next thing you want to do is get yourself some Dollar Tree shaving foam. This contains alcohol, which kills the bacteria, which causes the stink. Much better. I'm left-handed, so you want to put that shaving foam inside of your trash can, and then you're just going to clean it out. You can use as little or as much as you want. A little does go a long way when it comes to cleaning with shaving cream, and it smells fresh. It smells amazing. This will dissolve on its own depending upon how much you use. If you used a lot, like I did here, you're gonna wanna rinse it out. I'll show you that here in just a second. Now you don't have to put your big garbage can under your sink. You can just rinse out your microfiber towel. If you have a lot of stuck on grime and grease, you're gonna wanna use something a little bit more abrasive of a sponge. I got that shaving cream all down around and in this trash can right here. Now you wanna let that sit for about 10 to 15 minutes so that the alcohol can properly kill the bacteria. I'm gonna rinse this out with some warm water, and then I'm also going to rinse the inside of this, and I'll show you the next simple tip. Got that all wiped out. It took me just a few seconds. It is smelling wonderful, by the way. I prefer this method over vinegar if you don't love vinegar smell, and it just makes it look whiter and brighter than vinegar, in my opinion. Now the next step to keep those smells gone for as long as humanly possible, get yourself some baking soda, and you're just going to sprinkle a little bit in the bottom of your garbage can. You want to use a ton of this because I don't want this sticking to the bottom of the bag, and then depending upon where you put the bag next. And also another fun trick is just taking a cotton ball and putting a little essential oil or baby oil on that cotton ball and dropping it in your garbage can, and then you go ahead and put your bag in as normal once you got enough baking soda in there. Just got this at the Dollar Tree. By the way, if you're wondering why I have holes in my can that you'll see right there, and if you also want to know if you are putting your garbage bags in correctly, check out these two videos on screen now. Thumbs up. See you in the next one.